Hi, in this video we'll be discussing GMAT Official Guide 2017th edition Quant Problem Solving question number 61. Let's have a look at this question. If you look at this question is made up of 3 to 4 lines. So let's try to solve this question in part by part, right? Let's see what the first 2 lines of the question has to say here. At the start of an experiment, a certain population consisted of 3 animals. Okay, so at the start of some experiment, there are 3 animals initially. Okay, now the next line says at the end of each month after the start of the experiment, the population size was double its size at the beginning of that month. Say for an example, let's the population started say in the month of January. In the beginning it was 3 animals, but the question is trying to say now at the end it will get doubled. So in that case at the end it will have 6 animals. Okay, and this happens every month because the question has said each month. So which of the following represents the population size at the end of 10 months? Okay, so it's a pretty simple question, right? You can try to figure out patterns and arrive at an answer. For an example, at the end of January month, if it is 6 animals, at the beginning of February month it would be 6, so that means February end it would be double of it, so that means 12 animals. March double of it, so that becomes 24. Then April double of this, so April beginning it will be 24, at the end it will be doubled, so that means 48. Likewise May it would be double of 48, which is 96. Then June it will be double of this, which is 192, and July double of this, then it becomes say 384, keeps goes on. We have to figure out till October. So you can see that, right, once the calculation becomes tedious, try to stop, try to see whether we can eliminate some answer choices here or what. So answer choice A and B straight away we can eliminate, because answer choice A is 8, answer choice B is 9, which is nowhere near to the the total number of population size at the end of 10 months. Okay, so we have left with 3 answer choices, but if you look at the answer choice E, 3 into 10 square, which is 300, we are very certain that by July itself it has crossed 300, so that means by October it is more than this. You can eliminate answer choice E as well. So you are left with C and D. C, right, 3 power 10, so 2 into 3 power 10 means you are having 10 threes, right, at the end of the 10 months. Okay, so 10 threes is a very huge number, and one thing we can be little bit if you do little bit of calculation, one thing we can be clear here, that many threes will not be here. Say for an example, initially it was 3, by Jan, right, it was 3, so by Jan end it becomes, right, 6, so that means you have 2 into 3, correct. Now by February it got doubled, means only 2 gets multiplied, not 3, right, your 3 still remains same, so you will have a 3 into 2 square. Now March it got doubled, means another 2 you will multiply for Feb, so that means 3 into 2 cube, right. So April 3 into 2 power 4, another 2, right, another doubled means 2 times of March, so 2 times of March means 3 into 2 power 3 into 2, so which is nothing but 2 power 4. So in that case we can we can be here itself, we can conclude that very clearly that it has to be 2's, that number of number of 2's get increases, not 3. So 3 remains the same. So we can eliminate answer choice C here. Answer has to be D. Otherwise, if you look at it by May, right, it is 3 into 2 power 5. That is, by the end of 5 months, it is 3 into 2 power 5. Then at the end of 10 months, it will be 3 into 2 power 10, because 10 2's would be getting multiplied, because every time it is doubling. So answer has to be D here. Right, so it's just this type of question, you just need to figure out the patterns. You don't need to think about whether it is any kind of geometric progression or any kind of sequence or series. Just that these type of questions are, first write down first few initial values, you'll figure out a pattern. Based out of the pattern you can arrive at an answer very easily. I hope this is clear. Answer is D here. Thank you.